Hello, my name is Steve Lombardo. I'm Group Vice President of Sales for Star, APW, and Baker's Pride Group. Today we're going to show you how to service and troubleshoot our hot dog roller grills. How to replace the probe. Disconnect the unit from its power source. First, remove the bun drawer and control panel. Remove the control cover by squeezing the retainer clip. While facing the front of the roller grill, you will need to gain access to the left side panel. Remove the panel and then turn the unit over to gain access to the bottom cover panel. Turn the unit over to gain access to the bottom cover panel. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill out 10 pop rivets holding the bottom panel to the roller grill. Then remove the Phillips head screws. Flip the bottom panel to gain access to the interior of the roller grill. Cut the wire ties and tape holding the probe wires. Remove the defective probe from the probe retaining block. Disconnect the probe wires from the control board. Pull the probe and probe wire through the side panel ground. Pull the probe wire from the control panel area and remove the wire assembly. To install a new probe, insert probe wire by plugging connectors to the control panel. The probe connectors are marked for front or rear. The 3-pin connector is for the front probe and the 2-pin connector is for the rear probe. Ensure you connect them to the proper pin connection on the board. Insert probes through the grommet. Apply heatsink compound to the end of the probe before installing it into the probe retaining block. Then reinstall into the block. Remember, the probe wires are marked for front or rear. Ensure you plug the correct probe into the correct location on the grill. Reattach the bottom panel using 1/8 inch pop rivets and Phillips head screws. Turn the unit over, reattach the side panels, plug the roller grill into the power supply, and then run the probe diagnostics test. Roller grills and controls produced since 2018 feature a probe diagnostics tool to ensure the probes were inserted into the correct locations. To run the diagnostics, with the power off, press the hold button on the front control and turn the power on. The diagnostics feature will test temperatures in both the front and rear sections of the grill. If everything is working properly, the display will show PAS.